Midnight. A woman is driving behind a massive truck on the highway. The truck swerves left and right, like the driver is drunk. She honks. No response. Then, she notices something. Handprints. Bloody handprints smeared on the truck's back door. Her GPS glitches. Follow the truck. Her phone buzzes with a message from an unknown number. Don't let it stop. The truck suddenly brakes. The back doors creak open. Inside, dozens of pale faces stare back at her. She looks in her rearview mirror. The same truck is right behind her.